Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on Do Not Disturb in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to enable Do Not Disturb. It's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, we're going to find here something say sound. After click over sound, we're going to find here something say do not disturb. After click over do not disturb, we're going to find here something say turn on now. If I'm going to turn on now, immediately my phone going to be turn on do not disturb. In my phone status bar, I'm going to see here this is the minus icon round circle, which the icon means do not disturb has turned on successfully. From now, if anyone going to be call me or I'm going to receive any notification, that's not going to be appear any sound. So doing this way, you can easily turn on Do Not Disturb. If you decide to turn off Do Not Disturb, again you need to go swipe up and click here settings section and go here sound, and then you can click here Do Not Disturb and make it turn off now. So within this, so you can easily turn on or off Do Not Disturb. Also, there is a quick special features have Do Not Disturb, which is schedule Do Not Disturb. You can make here every day particular time, this day to that day, automatically your phone going to be turned on Do Not Disturb. So in order to do that, you click here schedules, and then we're going to see there is already a template available. One is sleeping, one is event. You can easily make this on, or if you customize that event that particular template, you can go here setting, you can easily choose. Let me make here a new event or new schedule. So I'm going to click here add more, and then here it's going to be choose event or time. I'm going to make here time, and then I'm going to make here meeting weekend. Okay, meeting weekend. Let me make here meeting weekend, and let me make here add. Now when you click here meeting weekend, here it's going to be appear just like this. You can choose here a particular date, which day let's your phone going to be turned on a meeting weekend. Let me make here only Sunday, my phone going to be turned on in that particular time. You can make here the particular time. For example, I'm going to make here 11 a.m. and then I'm going to make here the end time is 1 p.m. and then make here okay. So if I go back in this time, this is a meeting weekend, in that particular day, automatically my phone going to be turned on and Do Not Disturb. So in this way also you can make here enable schedule Do Not Disturb, but let me make it off. So also there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off Do Not Disturb. In order to do that, you're going to see in your phone, swipe down just like this, and then we're going to see a quick shortcut area. Here, we're going to find here, Do Not Disturb. If you're going to turn this on, immediately your phone is going to be turned on Do Not Disturb. If you decide to turn off Do Not Disturb, you can easily swipe down just like this, and you can click here, Turn Off Do Not Disturb. So this is how you can easily turn on or off Do Not Disturb in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.